Become a Korean language translator, most popular language among the teenagers, because it is popular for its famous music and dramas, and also being used as an elective subject in most of schools. Now, when you're learning Korean for beginners, it is sometimes useful to know the names of the Korean letters. If you don't know how to pronounce a word, you could spell it using the names. Start learning Korean from today.
Hi, 안녕. Hello on the phone. 여보세요. Good morning. 좋은 아침이에요. How are you? 어떻게 지내세요? Or 잘 지내요? Long time no see. 오랜만이에요. Bye. 안녕. Goodbye to the person living when you are staying. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye when you are leaving and the other person is staying. 안녕히 계세요. Take care. 잘 가요. Welcome to a store or place. 환영합니다. Have a nice day. 좋은 하루 보내세요. Learn Korean in 3 weeks. Join us.